In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set daily budget in Reddit ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your campaign spends only what you intend each day. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Reddit ads. From the results, choose the official link that takes you to the Reddit ads platform. Once you're on the page, look for the Login button and click it. You'll see several sign-in options, including using a phone-based code, a Google or Apple account, or receiving a one-time link by email. Pick the method you're most comfortable with and complete the login. Keep your credentials private and secure. After logging in, you'll land in the Ads Manager dashboard. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're in the correct ad account. It also helps to check your account's time zone and currency, since daily budgets reset at midnight based on the account time zone. From here, either create a new campaign or open an existing one you want to adjust. Remember, at the campaign level, you define your goal, budget, and schedule. Ad groups and ads come later, but your daily budget lives at the campaign stage. Inside the campaign setup, find the section labeled Campaign Budget and Schedule. This is the control center for how much you spend and when your ads run. Look for the Type dropdown within this section. Click it and select Daily. Choosing Daily tells Reddit to pace your spend per day rather than across an entire time period. This differs from a lifetime budget, which lets Reddit distribute your total spend over the full duration you set. Daily budgeting is great for keeping tight control and learning quickly from day-to-day performance. Once daily is selected, enter your desired daily amount in the budget field. If you have specific dates in mind, set a start and, if needed, an end date. If you want the campaign to run continuously, leave the end date open. Keep in mind that platforms may slightly overspend on a given day, but aim to average your daily target over time. When everything looks right, proceed by clicking Continue. Work through any remaining settings, then click Review to double-check your summary. Finally, click Publish to push your changes live. You can adjust your daily budget at any time, and changes typically take effect quickly. If you ever need to pause the campaign, you can do that from the dashboard without losing your settings. That's it. Your daily budget is now set and under control.